Ramen is a traditional Japanese dish and I'm making a super speedy version using sticky toffee pork. I'm going to start with some dashi stock. I've got 1 pouch here. I'm going to pour it into quite a large saucepan. And to that I'm going to add some shredded ginger and we're going to bring that to the boil. Then pop the lid on and leave to simmer for about 3 minutes. So my stock is simmering away and in the oven now I've got one of these which is sticky toffee pork. Let's take a look at it. And it's had 20 minutes. It smells really lovely and there's loads of delicious juices in there, so I'm just going to tip the juices into the pan. Now there's a sachet that comes with the pork. This is the sticky toffee part of it. Just pour that over the top. And then if you want to, you can just brush it all the way around the edges just to make sure it's nicely coated. And this just goes back into the oven now for 5 minutes, just until it's shiny and glazed. So we've got a really nice fragrant stock here with the ginger and the juices from the pork. So we're going to cook our noodles. I've got a bag of egg noodles, in they go. And they're already cooked, all we're doing is warming them through, along with some baby pak choy. Just pop those on the top, pop a lid on and simmer for about 3 minutes until the pak choy is tender. So everything's cooked now and we are ready to serve up. Let's have a look at that meat. I'm just using some tongs. I'm going to lift the pork out onto my board. Let's take a look in here. So I'm just going to scoop out some noodles, some of those pak choy alongside. And now for the pork, I'm just going to cut some slices from it. There we go, gorgeous. Let's pop those into our bowl. I'm going to ladle over some of that fragrant broth. And here I've got some salad onions that I've thinly shredded. For a full list of the ingredients, just click on the link. Scatter those into the bowl. And then to finish it off, just a few drops of chili oil. And that's our delicious ramen all ready to serve. And for more lovely recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.